We want to welcome you into our state-of-the-art brand new facility.
Customers seem to notice their first visit to Dyer Mazda is all the conveniences that we offer. We've got snacks, we've got water, we've got coffee. We also have factory-trained technicians that go through hundreds of hours of training. We have Mazda technology at our fingertips.
The benefit of having the UVEye system here at Dyer Mazda is that it gives us an opportunity to not only look at the exterior of your vehicle, but also actually look underneath of it.
Our technicians are going to go over every aspect of the vehicle, from your tires to your brakes. All that stuff is going to be on a video sent directly to your phone.
This gives our technicians an opportunity to really dive in and find out exactly what's going on with your vehicle, but it's fully transparent for you.
Our main goal is to make the customer happy and to give them a positive experience when they come through the door. So that means a big deal to me. I love to be able to make customers happy and change their automotive experience when they come in here.
It's important to show customers using the video as well as the UVEye machine, just to kind of give the customer a general look of what's going on with their car, and kind of gets the customer and us a little bit better experience before the car actually makes it into the shop.
It's just another way that we want to prove that we're transparent and trustworthy every time we service your vehicle.